50 years of Earth Day. How exciting is that? 50 years of an annual awareness of how great this planet is. Today we're going to do a meditation for the planet. So I'd like you to turn your mindful bodies on, heavy from the waist down, like a tree growing its roots into the earth, and light from the waist up, like a tree growing its branches up to the sky. And close your eyes, finding stillness, settling in, arriving on your cushion, on your chair, on the floor. If you're sitting in a chair, make sure you have your ankles uncrossed and both feet on the floor. And if you're sitting cross-legged, make sure you relax your hips, settle into your cushion. Let's just take one deep breath in through your nose and one deep breath out through your mouth. And just finding a natural breath rhythm today, I'd just like you to listen. So with your eyes closed, let's begin. Keep breathing. Our planet is often referred to as Mother Earth. She provides us with food, water, and the materials we use to protect ourselves. She gives us rainbows, sunsets, and places that take our breath away by her beauty. When you feel connected to Mother Earth, then you are grounded, and you know you are connected to something magnificent. This meditation should help you feel more connected to the planet. So as you are sitting, feel yourself sink a little bit deeper. Relax your shoulders. Now, I'd like you to think of a place in a park or out in nature, maybe by the ocean, maybe up in the mountains. But think of a place where you feel safe and happy, and imagine you're sitting in that place right now. Sitting comfortably, take a deep breath. As you breathe in the air, thank Mother Earth for providing you oxygen that keeps you alive and full of energy. Breathing out. As you breathe in again. When you breathe out, think about how lucky you are to live on this magnificent planet. Think about the planet's Earth's body, the mountains and valleys, the ground beneath your feet. Keep breathing. Think about the trees. Like our lungs, the trees breathe in and out. Think about the streams and the rivers. Like our blood, they circulate water and refresh the body. Imagine the sounds of the waves of the ocean. Maybe you can make your breath sound like the ocean now. The rise and fall as the wave approaches the shore, the consistent rhythm, just like your heartbeat. Feel the air around you, whether it is warm or cold. The air provides you with energy and life force. Imagine the sun on your skin, how it warms and nurtures you consistently every day, even if it's hidden by the clouds. Imagine raindrops falling on you, wiping away the dust and stresses of the day. Keep breathing. And in this place that you're imagining you're in, imagine looking around, once again, soaking in all Mother Earth has to offer. Know and feel the earth just as you feel the beat of your own heart. If you want to open your eyes, come back to the room that you're in. I hope you enjoyed that meditation about planet Earth. Today on Earth Day, I would really like you to do something that's either engaged in helping the planet be a better place to be, in whatever that looks like, or maybe you want to start a new habit. But today I encourage you to try something. And on my blog you can find, I did a 21-day challenge in 2018, and all 21 challenges are up on my website. If you choose to do something like line dry your clothes, you don't have to have a clothesline or a yard. You can just use your shower curtain rod and hangers. So wash it in the washer and then just hang all the clothes on hangers in your shower. Out in the sun is good too. And you could start planting a garden if you've got that possibility. Maybe you want to donate to a charity like the Nature Conservancy that plants trees to help offset our carbon footprint. Maybe you could take a bag and go for a jog and take gloves and pick up any litter that you find. Keeping litter out of the sewer helps keep our water systems clean. And it makes the world look prettier. It's just nicer, more pleasant. With that, I leave you to enjoy this Earth Day. Just see if you can find some aspect of the earth to be thankful for today and take one action towards helping this world be a better place. This is Liz Rutledge with Sustainable3 with your morning meditation. Please find the rest of my videos on YouTube at Sustainable3, THREE. And please subscribe. Turn on those little notifications so you know when the videos are available. And thank you if you were able to join me live today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching.